Welcome back to Kim's Creations. And if you are a first-time viewer here on my channel, welcome. And I hope you'll stick around, hit that thumbs up button, and consider subscribing to my channel. And that way, the next time I upload a video, you will be notified. So I want to give a huge shout out to my friend and big supporter to this channel, Tracy, who made me this lovely apron with Kim's Creations on it. So thanks, girlfriend. I love it. Anyway, I'm about to get it dirty with painting on some 6-inch tiles. We're gonna do some blooms and I'm gonna try some swipes as well. And I've got some great colors to share with you all. We're gonna be using Liquitex Dioxazine Purple, and this has been lightened with Amsterdam Titanium White. I've also got Arteza's Carmine Red, Golden Benzimidazoline Yellow Light, and then I've got 2 TLPs, this little Piggy. So these two are light reactive, so they will glow in the dark. We've got TLP Mosh, bright orange, and then we've got a TLP Grunge, which is obviously a bright green. So let's have some fun with this. Let's get down to the tiles. Okay, here I am with these 5 tiles. I am loving these 3, especially this one. Turned out so well. Absolutely fantastic colors in here. They're nice and bright, got peacock cells, great lacing. It's probably my best piece to date, in my opinion, in my own opinion. So it's definitely gonna be staying at Casa de Kim. This one also here is very cool, just different colors. We've got a lot with that yellow and the green combining in cells. The red, kind of over here, red and yellow was awesome. I think this is the piece that I did not put orange in. And I love that the yellow is so vibrant in that one. This one over here has more of the green standing out, and I've got some awesome cells in through here. Probably my favorite part of this piece. But there's some purple with the red mixing in there too, which is just gorgeous. And I like how there's green and orange, which are both fluoro colors, so they will glow in the dark, that are kind of off the edge of that piece. So woohoo, love it. And then we have these 2. So this was a swipe that I did with the bars of color in different spots, and then swiped it with the cell activator. It was black in that case. You know, don't love it. It's not going to be a keeper, but I wanted to show you what happens when your consistencies aren't right. So the purple was definitely a thinner consistency, and I should have thickened it up before I did any of the pieces, but you can really tell in this particular one how the purple has bled out into that green area and also into the orange. So don't recommend that you do that. And you can kind of tell over here in this one as well, it's done the same thing. But I wanted to show you what can happen if your paint consistencies aren't the same. All right, so let's back out. There are all 5. Let me know what you guys think. And until next time, there's my dog Wyatt, who was just getting in the pool. Now he's gonna go, you know, to have a drink. Now he's gonna get up on the couch and rest. All right, bye for now, and bye from me and my dog Wyatt. Okay guys, I am back, and I have most of my lights off, and I've got my handy dandy black light flashlight. So let's see what happens with these pieces. All right, I'm gonna get nice and close in on this one and just show you. So this one had the orange and the green, which were UV reactive. Very cool. This one's kind of neat because the green just kind of swirls in through. So I really like that. And I am saving best for last. Check out this one. Wow. I love the green surrounding these orange cells. It's so cool. And the green surrounding the pink and the purple there. This is just like waves of color. So yeah, there is that one. My favorite. Another favorite piece. All right, let me know what you guys think of all these. And have fun. Get out your UV reactive paints and or pigments and play around and have some fun with them. All right, until next time, bye for now.